Then why TJ get how much in lick? Because him a perform on the stage and him.
It is again and everyone ends back with the live with Rosealee. Mr. Guys, one heap puzzle. Mr. Guys, Rosealee clap back at Jayden and Mstriple. Please like, share, and comment. And please, guys, please subscribe.
You just shoot and caught up and couldn't stop. I get caught up in a shooting and couldn't stop. Cause it don't make no sense to stop because you don't reach there already and the crowd did they. And you impress the crowd. Who you tricking? Obviously the dumb and the blind and the deaf. You can't trick me. You get caught up in a shooting. Cause you never did intend to send triple no so much lion. You come pan ya. See me and play, and you come for provoke me. You come for shift the focus. I'm telling me no war none. And you go over there, go shoot again and come back, come say me I'm going to block you from my phone. After you start to shoot, me never did like a move. You never shoot what all we have. No rank can never sit down and send 23 like that. We know. Who know say something you are do. When Perry go over World Dog, go shit the 20 line, the World Dog. I crowd Perry look at him rank for number 1. Anything you want to do, you want to do it for your reaction. Want to do it to be seen. I mean, the only one that ever come in, me never do nothing to be heard and to be seen. I want to talk out of my mouth. Perry rank for number 1 and go over World Dog, push World Dog up there, same can get crowd. You are shooting off and say, yes, Jayden a good boy. See, put Triple at number 1 there. Triple still want to know why. Triple still want to know why. Why? You sit down. They will still, they will Fabi. And Fabi are this sorry. Me no walk and prick problem in my community. Everybody loves me. Cause me talk out of my mouth and my genuine poor. Me no walk and pick problem with people. You are troublemaker. And when you do these things, you play a mind game. You hear where I go say, me I wonder why the problem more shoot your money. No problem if you want to shoot your money, darling. There is no problem. I don't even care. But why would you come in my life and send me a rose? I'm never beg you a rose. Me and our player that Roll Dog shot snipe against me and cut. Roll Dog never snipe against me and come send me one rose. Me and our player that I shoot at them shoot me right down. And they never shoot me right down and come for my life, come send me a rose. Why you do that for? Feel mad people them will have some things on them head coming. Someone is crazy, you know. Feel mad people them panya where have this crazy mentality in them brain about bad mind and envious and just you crazy. I built that nigga when none of y'all never was looking at him. He's ungrateful. And him I got drop hard. Him I got drop hard. No, none of them never used to run to play with him, none. When I doing first official match, him call me and say, Rosealee, come play it with me. I'm still on and play it with him. And me never get not even a money gun. I want him done, him text me and say, Rosealee, because they come play the match with him, I say, that good man. Till all him gift away, I shoot him up. Come send me a post the other day. But I realized she sent it out of gratitude. Because she's looking at, although Rosealee never get shit, she still played the match. I hold for match, I sit down and play with Uno pan ya nah get nothing. On the screen card, Uno fix, Uno stamp at 2024, I'm not leave ya, you know. It's at 2025, I'm not leave ya. Me and Uno pan this. But why Uno not come, why the people not come upon that? I say Jayden why TJ get how much in lick. Because him a perform on the stage and him want to go video him. That's why I get up so much lick. Why no come say that out on him out? And because of Jayden, and because of this local boy, make the big man get pure lick. And Jayden they go with two man when they never got different TJ. And because of him make him get lick. And because of nobody else. And then because I'm on a woman when we come the way, and because of Jayden make him get lick. And then the lick them when you get, a rebel party no open your eye. TJ, me no know what you go think. Cause me no know much money you think you gonna get out of Assad. You worry about me and blood pressure, and you worry about me and blood pressure, go worry about when you gonna get out of your assault. Cause me know Ramesh not getting a bag of money. And your woman not gonna get nothing like that cause she run go lick people. Remember me never trouble now, no trouble me. Remember good. The woman not get nothing neither to cause she run go lick people. Yeah. She not get nothing neither. And you not get no bag of money out. You know how much money you can get out of assault. That come talk about them. If when they go back to Ramesh and the man get 3 thumping at your face, if it never rise my blood pressure, me not think say give a rise it over here. Me used to every and anything. Yeah. If me not go 1 million a kind 1 week, 3 weeks you add up to 1 million a kind. We could take it step by step. It must come in enough. The one has some bunch of crosses on the internet and now see the manipulation what the little boy I do. The whole of one has some bunch of illusion pan ya and now sit down and see the manipulation what I do. You know what him do? When him there number one, you see all one page come send line where you never see it. And you not gonna see back that page there. Most time when you see my number one, I pay pints up there. Pay pints. Because the thing you have to do to stay relevant. It's crazy. It's like you're playing, keeping up with the Kardashian. It's crazy. Me never have come do that. Remember when the world is scan you. I'm here alone. Wipe you off. I'm turning a smaddy. No, you turn me a smaddy. And me turning a smaddy. I know every chance I get to diss me. What day ya? What day ya? Me, him and Triple. They're on live. But they are number 2. The remarks when pass. Rosealee, they are number 2. You can go buy food now. What Triple say? What she say? Rosealee, they are number 2 now. You can go buy food. No. We not discuss what me there. I never plan for them just they play match and reach there. What that's supposed to mean? Then him say, oh no worries because I soon pass it out. Then if me they are number 2, you go number 1 watching time. And the one time you see a number 2, you are gonna tell you gotta talk public say, oh no worries because I soon pass me out. What that's supposed to mean is you are the bad mind one here. You Black Queen Bella. You Black Queen Bella, I will for shooter I have you used to walk and block them. I know that's a ton king and I black nobody. Tell the people them that you are the bad-minded one here. Yo. That's why from the last 2 days, me not run for play with you. Y'all say me not interested for play with you. It's not of interest. When me there you play, it's not of interest to play with you. You send me match and me decline it. Yeah. Come in, I'm not interested to play with you. I'd rather go and play with somebody else and keep my sanity and keep my peace. Because it's always a styling thing when it comes to you and me. You always try to style me. Because if you want to support Triple, fine. Don't twist the story and jump the gun. And I come jump up in the box and I come talk about. Nobody can't tell me what to do with my money. Like, who cares if you want to give out your money? Nobody not busy if you want to give out your money. Are you one? Are you beg it? Who for business what you want to do with your money? Are you one? Are you beg it? It belongs to you. But trade it over there one at a time. I shoot for Nyam fuck TJ and him like sweets. He will egg on the situation, yeah. That's why I block you from my phone. Cause me know want nothing from you. And I don't even want, me never want you chat to me. You are gonna be my biggest downfall for you. And I know me have to learn at 2025 now. Make sure I block you, my black slime. Come notice anytime me in an argument, slime use that now for come now and yes, you bad mind the dog, forget gift. No mind game thing done ya so. So when he come up in the box last time, I just run a black pan. Him. Make sure I block you first. And then I block him. So when you go chat, boy, I hear money, tell Triple say, I throw me black and make you shoot you up. Can you approve a point? And that you fi tell her. If me never blocked you, you wouldn't shoot so much. And I'm glad I blocked you. I'm so glad I blocked you. Because everybody can carry with you, Some people have to just leave them a dot. You can't save the world. Me glad me block you. Me block if I'm off, I'm run a block by you. It sweet me a fuck. I'm never do that move, me never still make you shoot all the way in a half. And then come cry later. Because I've never seen no ranker send 20 odd lion yet. I pair one alone, me see do it. So when you send how much lion, me and you and Triple but know is a point, you approve. You done style already. Because what you done put feelings and emotions. And how you say now take back Fabi. I want to look you and Fabi they're the same hotel in the same room. I'm frightened when I not see him live yesterday when I come on, But obviously, me hear say, in me day live and them over there type cancel, him come off. Yeah, because you're the prank lad. Not more than you're the prank lad. So not more than you take back Fabi now, you're not there now. And two Triple said, I'm Jayden, if you go back to Fabi, I am done with this, I am done. I know, you know deep in your mind, in your heart, it's just a game. You know deep in your heart, in your mind, in your soul, it's just a game. You know a game you play, you know the game that you play. You know. I am a woman sitting over there and waste her time and book flight and the things them. Just to play a game. Because the thing was, she come tell for your gift I must go suck them mama. And she didn't want to come back but pan the ball game which is a ranking. I don't know how to. So him pave the way by coming up with a scenario for shift focus. You're not shift no focus at all. No focus at all, you're not shift. You're going to become a genuine person now when you send 23 lion. But you never did genuine when you use people. When you use the woman and tell the woman but you're fabulous. She put your book flight out her pocket for you. And you know deep down your heart you're fabulous left. It's just a game. I want you to realize that. Because you're a big woman and you have sense and you know what Jayden do. You know. Not to mention when you go over, Junior. Not to mention when you go over Junior. We are trying to look a comeback. From him get the 6 million in the kind in the come. Not to come tell people them thanks, you know. Junior broke now and I look Reggie G. See him come over here come. Nobody now look pan Junior triple because Junior ungrateful. And you know this. One day me and him play a match. I want a woman over there shoot him up. And me I try to inspire my team and say, come guys, we can't make one people a beat with. Because I want somebody over there do the most. When the match done, he make remarks I didn't like. And I jump. Thank you for the whale. When the match in process, he made a remarks that I didn't like. And I jump. Why never tell you that, Triple? You never did tell you that. When I'm telling you, oh, you laugh. This is open, but you have to stop it. You have to stop it. You must stop it. Why never did tell you that? You never tell you the same password remarks. My upper crystal on my finger and my toe me and the thinking mode boy I play. And he might get gift. And he utter somebody something about bad mind. I'm saying what you said, Junior? I don't know if it's a comment him I read or what. But he utter some more time about bad mind. I'm saying what you, Junior? Like him want to say. Like somebody about time, but you should soon start bad mind your too. And him read it. Something under that to that. But bad mind was on it. I'm saying what you say again, Junior? And him said nothing, man, Rosealee. I'm saying no. When me a bad mind you for? I don't know if I'm the shooter or some black sheep. I don't know if I'm the shooter right that's some black sheep. When me a bad mind you for? One shooter over there shoot a Keisha. So when you go tell her this, I go, really? Triple no so the story go. Y'all follow them no Triple and murder me upon the cross. Cause two me never go where the crowd say. Yeah. Stop follow people and murder me upon the cross. Stop follow people and put me up on the cross and finish putting the nail. Me is not like that. Me is not like that. Me don't want my eye open. You can't wait after 1 year when me a play match and 23 line I go open your eye Triple. All of them the statement them disappointed in her. Me and you cannot play match and you win how much it umpteen game. And you gonna make 1 million a kind over the years open your eye Triple. That me never did the real from day one and that's the truth. Yeah, that's how I feel. Cause me and you go sit down and play a match. Catch me a shoot, Britta shoot, everybody a shoot, Chef a shoot. Both sides, both ways, everywhere. Over the years of friendship, over the 1 year of friendship, I have never did you wrong yet. And you're gonna make 23 like I tell you, your eyes open. You're gonna make 23 lions so your eye open. Over 1 million a kind. Sometimes I think about some things, you know. And the situation it brings tears to my eye. And a ball no, but it does bring tears to my eye to all the people them. Well, people sing and put in on run with it. Over the years, may I play. You win at 10, 15, 13, 14. A Triple and a Rosealee water was still on one. Sometimes we'll start off the game. Sometimes we'll get the first 6. And then the rest of the time them chew in. Sometimes we broke it as the game go. When she still on a play, all 20 nuggets, remember one time, me and her a play. We start off of 1. She don't come with no nuggets. And she win 18 games straight. Everybody I met the attempt. That match was booming. 18 games straight. Another one for make 19. Mr. Lagard. If people them must be tired now. One woman reach out must about 6 times. Because we are trying to get the nuggets from it they are 10. And you are gonna make 1 million that kind. Make your eye open to what? If any old mistake then I know some mistake now. There's no changes in me. Me not gonna forever diss you. Cause remember where me I come from. Me not gonna forever diss you. Cause remember where I come from. We are, you know, so me stick on the situation and me not move. And the situation we are talk about. If I them all over the place. You can make 1 year of friendship mash up because at 1 million a kind where me and you used to. And all me did stay. Any all mistakes but some stay a long time. Jayden is a manipulator, you know. You know. You realize that I'm a prank you. And him realize the distance where you are give him. Because when I click a match with him, it's like, you're not smiling anymore and say, come on, Jay. It's all about the game. And that's why I'm coming to do the most. Money can't buy love and money can't buy happiness. So every time I come on the internet and prank you, you might come say that I'm 48 lion and most of the time New Year's resolution. Because you can't prank me, I prank you. TJ get how much in kick film and TJ no learn. Cause you know what I reach you know you're in a one spot at one time and cry wolf and nobody not gonna do that to help you. You read the story that the boy who cried wolf. He's a very manipulator, he's a con artist, he's a thief. Any person can do any individual can create a good mastermind to con a person is a thief. That's what you are. You understand? Some of you got talk about all your genuine. You never grow no woman. The boy when you grow no woman don't know love. You can't show you don't know it. You cannot be genuine, you don't grow no woman. You're growing our homes. We don't for unwanted kids, and that's just the truth. Anybody want to think that's a discipline care? Nobody that don't grow their parents don't know love. With a parent or grandparent. If your mama don't love you that much, your grandmama love you. And she'll take on. If your mama don't love you that much, your grandparents are supposed to love you because they might take on them kids' burden. You grow with complete straight, you don't know love. You grow with a mastermind for con people. That is what you grow with, manipulation and canning. I pay a can, you come here, come canning people and tell people like, you know when it burned me when me left my yard. Look boy, I chew my heart is the heart of a goal. But just told me I have to say and just let it go, you know. Because Jayden, if me to have you up, me see a road and me in a fiction, you know. And you have to do, your people have to do what them I do, and my people have to just do what them I do, you know. You know why? You make me left me yard, me took in my yard, come to your rescue. And you know it was all a joke. The care you see me there, I will never forgive you for that. You sit down pan, yeah. And your ball, hey, that you want, hey. You see that? Triple, what are you, Triple? Triple, what wrong with you? If Jayden can come on TikTok and sit down and ball about unwanted child and know that Ashley is not pregnant, what kind of genuine person is that? Me ask you, Triple. Me want you see the screen because me ask you that question there, you know. Big woman, me ask you that question there, you know. Me ask that question there. If Jayden can come on TikTok and ball, no dog, I never grown no mother dog and shut up about my unwanted and the child is not pregnant. What kind of person is that, Triple? That's a loving and genuine person. No sick, brother.